I see a lot of AI videos telling beginners what they should do, but very few show what actually happens when a beginner tries. So I decided to use AI the way a beginner would. No coding, no fancy tools, no experience, and see what really works. Here's what surprised me. The biggest mistake beginners make isn't choosing the wrong AI tool. It's trying to use AI for everything at once. When I did that, nothing stuck. Too many ideas, too many prompts, no progress. So I reset. I picked one simple task, turning rough notes into short written content. That's it. No side hustle list, no passive income dreams, just one clear job. I used the same prompt every day, same structure, same goal. And that's when AI started to feel useful. Not exciting, not magical, useful. The output got better because I got clearer. The workflow got faster because nothing changed, and I stopped second-guessing every result. Here's the part most people miss. I didn't save me time at first. It saved me effort after repetition. Once the system was set, the work felt lighter, faster, predictable. That's when beginners actually win. Not by chasing AI updates, not by finding the best tool, but by doing one small thing repeatedly until it works. If you're just starting with AI, don't ask what it can do. Decide what you want done. Then force AI to do that one thing better every day. That's the difference between experimenting and making progress. Make sure to subscribe, and in the next video, I'll break down the exact prompt and workflow I used, step by step, so you can copy it if you want. Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.